and welcome back or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am going to show you how to make a delicious pan con lechon. This is a Cuban sandwich with pork. You got some onions. It's very simple but very delicious. It's kind of like Cuban street food and it's so good. So you can see I just finished filming a Cuban style roast pork. So this is one of my favorite things. I literally can't wait till the next day till I have leftovers so I can make this because it is so good. Very simple ingredients. You only need like 3 ingredients. I'm gonna show you what they are so we can get started. Okay, so you're gonna need some Cuban rolls. If you can find this type of like Cuban bread, you can also use Italian bread or you can use baguette. Not the skinny baguette, the bigger one. You're also going to need some pulled pork, and this is from the roast pork I just made. You're going to reserve some of those drippings. And last but not least, you're going to need some thinly sliced onions. As you saw, you only need a few things, but this is so delicious, I can promise you. I'm just going to slice my bread in half, just like so. And don't feel limited to these toppings. This is just a traditional way to make it, but I often add plantain chips, I add avocado, whatever I feel like eating that day. So I just spread the inside of the bread with some of that dripping, and I'm just going to add some pork right in here. Okay, just like so. You can add as little or as much as you want. And we're going to do some raw onions. You can cook your onions ahead of time, but I don't mind doing the raw onions. Okay, just like that. We're gonna close this. Perfect. Now I'm brushing the top with the drippings. Now let's go over to the stove for the next step. Okay, here I have a skillet. I turn on the heat to medium high. And I also added about a tablespoon of the drippings to my pan. Okay, we're kind of making a panini. You want to wait for the bread to get really nice and kind of golden brown and toasty. So I'm gonna wait for it to do that, and then I'm gonna show you the final results. Okay, so this is exactly what you're looking for. Really nice and toasty and delicious, as you can see. Now this is done. We're gonna turn off the heat. Okay, and there you have it. Very traditional, very authentic, very delicious bread with roast pork. And this is delicious. And like I said before, don't be limited to the toppings. You can add whatever you want in it. This is just the most traditional way to eat it, and that it's served. As you can see, the bread is really nice and crispy, and it smells so good. So I'm gonna dig right into it. Ooh, it's really hot. This brings me back to my childhood the whole way. It is so good. I used to eat this when I used to go to the carnivals, and it is perfection. The meat is really nice. Then you have the crispy, crunchy onions and the bread. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple recipe. It's not really a recipe, it's just a way for you to use pulled pork. I mean, I'm gonna write it on the website anyways, but the quantities and everything depends on you and what you like and how much you wanna serve. So I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so you can join our growing family, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.